guys, I'm here with a full review about this wireless magnetic power bank, but it's not just small, powerful and wireless. It has also a built-in lighting cable, and even though it's pretty small, it has 10,000 milliamps capacity, comes with a nice LED display and has a maximum of 20 watts input and output with USB-C. So pretty interesting power bank, I would say. I've already tested a couple of very interesting small powerful power banks, but this one has the most options, so it's definitely worth to look into that. So stay tuned till the very end of the video. And so here's the beautiful box, here specs, how we can use it. So let's get this user manual. We have the packing list, we have the quick starter guide and more information, especially the specs here, of course, very important. And so let's lift this up. Definitely good protection. So here we go. Comes in with this protection in the back. Yeah, really beautiful design. Watch this thing here, how shiny this is in the back. Definitely one of the most interesting and most beautiful power banks I've seen so far. But we do not only get the power bank, we get also charging cable, USB-C to USB-C, and this adapter here, USB-A to USB-C. So we have everything what we need. So I think that's the top actually, and on the side we have this lightning cable, very flat one, so it fits perfectly to this beautiful power bank. Watch how awesome this is, how easy this can be stored. And here we have the USB-A, USB-C input output, and of course here we have the on off button, and so we can see here digital charging level, really easy to see from all the sides. And so let's charge it. Let's see how much power we can get into this power bank. Of course it's already at 79%, so it's probably not charging at full speed, but we can still get very close. Yeah, stays pretty stable here at 16 or even 17 watts. You can see it has been jumping up. So I have no doubt that we can reach the full 20 watts when the charge is a little bit lower. So let's do a quick test regarding compatibility, regarding the protocol. And we see a lot of green already. Yeah, we have quick charge, we have Samsung UAV, we have Apple, we have PD 3.0 up to 22 watts. And a lot more. And so you can see the different PD levels. We even have two types of PPS, and that's matching to what the instructions manual is saying. And so let's do a quick ramp up test to see the maximum power. We are already at 20 watts. We had a cut off, and so we can see that the voltage has been keeping up at perfectly 12 volts almost till the very end, till we had the cut off. And so when we do the math, we can see that we had a peak of around 24 watts, so super high, even a little bit more that we had in the specs. And of course we also want to see if this has good protection here built in. So we want to have confirmation that the power bank is not damaged, but it has just cut off the power to prevent overcurrent, overpower, overheating, these things. And so we are back at 12 volts. So let's do the test again. Let's see what we can get. And we are already at 20 watts again. We had cutoff and we had exactly same numbers, even here I think a little bit higher. So definitely not damaged, good protection. So let's also check the USBA output. And for that we can use this adapter which we got in the package, and then using USB-C to USB-C. Turn it on again, and so we are at 1.5 watts. Let's go a little bit higher, and so let's increase the amps. Now we are at 2.5 amps, which is already pretty high for USB-A. We are still at 4.9 volts. Let's see where the voltage will drop. Now starts dropping a little bit. Yeah, we have been close to 3 amps here, which is really high. But I would say that's the maximum how far we can get with the USB-A at 5 volts. You can see 3 amps and then voltage goes down. But also here we can see the nice protection, nothing happens. And so let's see how we can use the wireless charge, because we have wireless magnetic charger, one of the best features, of course. And so we have the magnet here and magnet here. And so we have to align the magnet absolutely easy. You can see it has a really good hold, even holds the phone. That's also something which is very important, but it doesn't start the charge automatically. We have to push the button. Let's see what happens when we push here. And so we can see it's charging and even says fast wireless charging. That's absolutely awesome. With a lot of wireless chargers, it goes just into normal charge. Here it goes into fast wireless charging. Yeah, pretty cool to have it just like that and still charging. And so I've been fully charging and discharging this power bank. So let's try to turn it on. We can see it turns on again. This is what I like. So manufacturers prefer to not let it turn on again to protect the inside batteries, but I actually like this more, so we are able to squeeze out just a little bit of power, for example in an emergency situation. And so I bring this a little bit closer. You can see the result, 6400 milliampere hours, which is definitely way above average. So why is this actually a good result? And we do not have to achieve 10,000 milliamps. The 10,000 milliamps are just for the internal battery at 3.7 volts. So this has to be converted up to 5 volts here. And that's already a mathematical loss of 25%. And then the conversion needs usually around 10% if we have a high quality device. So the maximum usually which we can get is around 6,500 for such a 10,000 milliamps power bank. So we are super close. So we have definitely confirmation that we have a very good high quality, high capacity power bank here, super flexible with all the options, even this super fancy extra lightning cable here, but also perfect if you just want to use it with USB-A, USB-C or with wireless charging. Yeah, it doesn't get much better than that. Full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.